Hi there, this is a very last batch of the computers. It's actually not this many. I just have some extra computers in here. My biggest surprise is nobody had issues with the computer so far I sent out. It's just absolutely amazing. So this is the last batch. I think it's only about 7 of you left. If you're outside of the United States, unfortunately the shipping is crazy expensive. It might not gonna make any sense. I'm gonna offer probably only the micros because I can pack them to really small and compact. As bigger the box, as heavier the box, the shipping just goes up. So if you haven't received any email from me, but I confirmed you that you are on the list, it's definitely happening. Unfortunately, I got COVID. I'm just to start feeling better. Today is the first day and I'm back to actually work. So there's a lot. I have normal work, IT work, what I do daily. I have some extra work which I do outside of work. I'm working as a handyman or as a maintenance guy for a lot of clients at this point. So and then when I have time, it's YouTube. So this is when I'm catching up with everything. Unfortunately, there is another roadblock. My 14th generation of Intel i9 CPU is crashing. The oxidation issue, I guess it caught up with it. The latest firmware update or BIOS update does nothing for me but decreases the performance significantly, and a computer still crashes 3 to 6 times every day, which makes like editing videos or do any kind of research or inserting things or start doing on topics technically impossible. It's just so frustrating. I will do a video on the warranty replacement experience. So far I'm just waiting for a final answer from Intel after almost 2 weeks. So thank you so much for your patience. If I confirmed you that you are on the list and you haven't sent me your shipping address, please do that. And I'm going to start emailing back to you one by one. Some of the computers are ready to go, just needs to be boxed and confirmed if you're okay with the shipping. I will check all the major shipping companies just to make sure I'm going to give you the best possible options for shipping. Again, thank you so much for your patience. I'm really happy to finish and close this project. As you can see, the rack is technically empty. I see you at the next video. Scott's out.